Open the accessory box. Installation of horizontal spool pin. Raise the needle to its highest position. Raise the presser foot. Take out bobbin. Pull the thread out from the spool. Wind thread clockwise around bobbin winder tension discs. Thread bobbin and place on spindle. Push bobbin spindle to right. Turn on the sewing machine. Hold onto end of thread. Step on foot control pedal. Cut off excess thread. Push bobbin spindle to left and remove. Insert the bobbin in the bobbin case with the thread running. Pull the thread through the slit. Pull out about 6 inches of thread and attach the bobbin cover plate. Turn the hand wheel to raise the take-up lever to its highest point. Draw thread from spool through the upper thread guide. Lead thread down right channel and up left channel. Pass the thread behind the horizontal thread guide. Press lever down as far as it will go. Pass the thread in front of the needle around the hook. Release lever. Pull the thread through the needle eye. Turn the hand wheel towards you to lower the needle. Hold the upper thread with the left hand. Gently pull on the upper thread. Lay both threads to the back under the presser foot.